Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a role automatically on Discord mobile. So guys, at first go to your browser. Now tap on the search bar and search yakpdb.xyz. Now tap on the first one. Tap on the three-line icon. Tap on add to server. Now tap on select and select your server name. Tap on continue. Tap on authorize. Now ensure that you're not a robot. Now go to your Discord. Now tap on the server name. Tap on settings. Swipe down. Tap on roles. Now tap on the plus icon. Now enter here a role name. Also you can select your role color here. And then just tap on create. Now again go to your browser and reload this page. Now tap on click here to start managing it. Swipe down and search for auto role. Now tap on change settings here. Now tap on automatically assign members this role. Now select your role that you created and then just tap on save. And now anytime if someone joined to your server, then they will automatically assign to this role. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.